Hi all, welcome to our van build series. In this series, I'll take you on a journey turning this into this. I'm Chris, and this is our van.
Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of our van build series. In this video I will cover the bulkhead installation. Okay, today we're going to take our design and we're going to flesh out this bulk wall that separates the rear cabin from the front cabin. For this part of the build I used Sketchup. First, I took various measurements from within the van, then sketched out a rough drawing on paper. I then used Sketchup to draw out the frame. For the build I used 40 by 40 mm timber. I wanted something sturdy as this is the only protection I have from anything coming from the rear to the driver's cab in the event of an accident. I'm not saying it offers a great deal of protection, but anything is better than nothing. By the way, if you ever want to know what happens inside a camper van in the event of a crash, watch this video, link below. It's scary. It will also be filled with insulation foam board as the cabin gets really hot. I needed to construct this in situ, meaning I couldn't build it and bring it inside. I had to plan a way of building it with each piece adding to the next. So I designed it to be built in sections. I created this as a section. Then this section, which then got screwed into this one, and then I was able to do this as a section, and then finally this piece here screwed into these parts here. Likewise for the other side, against the wall, I made this as a section first, which then screwed into, and this is as another section, and this is another section, which then I was able to screw into there, and lastly this piece screwed onto there. I did originally plan to have this section at the top here, but as you can see, when you actually build something, your plans change as you go. Sketchup's a great tool. It gives you a good perspective on what you're going to try and design. You can move things around, and also zoom in, zoom out. You can use tools like the tape measure. Once I've done it, and you can get to know shows you what sizes the components are. Also allows me to get the idea of the dimensions. I can also add, remove, apply components.
Okay, I hand the clothes first.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, I do. I know you.
There's a voice over.
Okay, so look cool, honey.
I was going to put a rail across the top there.
Here I'm progressively scribing the curvature in order to get a better fit. I take a few goes at getting it right until I'm satisfied.
Yeah. You make circle? Is it okay?
No.
Up behind you see. Okay. Oh. Burn my head too. Maybe just a little bit bigger.
I can't make it bigger.
Yeah.
And then you can be able to rotate that to it.
Oh, you can rotate and put.
I filled the gaps as much as possible with 25mm foam board. I also had to allow room for all the cabling. I'll show what it looks like with the skin applied in a later video. Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. You should also check out our previous videos. In the next video, I will go through the roof and wall installation. Bye for now.